If you want to connect SurveyMonkey with Google Forms, this video will walk you through the process step by step in a quick and simple way. This is a useful setup if you collect responses in SurveyMonkey and want to connect or manage the integration more efficiently from your account. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to click and how to install the Google Forms app inside SurveyMonkey. If this tutorial helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to SurveyMonkey. Once the homepage loads, make sure you're signed in to the correct account. This is important because the integration will be connected to the profile you use here. After you're on the SurveyMonkey home screen, look to the top right corner and click on your profile icon. This opens your account menu and gives you access to the settings and integration options. From the profile menu, find and click on Apps and Integrations. This is where SurveyMonkey keeps its marketplace of app connections and add-ons. Inside this section, you'll see a list of available integrations that can help you connect SurveyMonkey with other platforms and tools. Now look for Google Forms in the app list and click on it. This opens the integration details page for the Google Forms app. Once you're on the Google Forms app page, you'll see the option to install it. Click on Install to begin the setup. Depending on your account and browser, SurveyMonkey may ask you to confirm the connection or review permissions. This step is normal because the platform needs approval before it can link the app to your account. Go ahead and click Install again if prompted and continue through the setup screens. After that, you may see a Continue button. Click Continue to move forward with the integration process. If another confirmation screen appears, click Continue again as needed until the connection is completed. Make sure to read any prompts carefully so you know exactly what access you're granting. Once the setup finishes, Google Forms will be connected through SurveyMonkey's app integration system. At this point, you can go back and verify that the integration is installed properly in your apps area. This is a good final check to make sure everything was added successfully and your account is ready to use the connection. If your goal is to streamline form workflows between SurveyMonkey and Google Forms, this setup helps you get started with that process. And that's how you connect SurveyMonkey with Google Forms. It only takes a few clicks once you know where to find the apps and integration section. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next step-by-step guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.